But hell, I got so many good clips that I might have to make you a 10-minute video. Oh yeah, you already know it's a small world, KJ. Why you think I told you? Hell, we know all the same people. Can't be on YouTube and expect. Well, it's only a few channels I don't know, but hell, I done got around in my day, right? I got around in my day, right? Cause hell, shit, I know everybody on YouTube. Damn near. If you got under 10,000 subs and you actually pay attention to people in your chat, I know you. I know you. Izzy, what you doing? What do you mean, huh? Just hanging out. I am just hanging out today because technically, after I smoke this blunt, I got enough work that I could make a whole 10-hour live tonight. But I ain't gonna put my audience through that because I already know some of y'all know it's just a regular Wednesday for y'all. But for me, I'm serious. Said that boy will easily go live and be live for 10 to 12 hours every day if he wanted to. Yeah, hell, if I wanted to, wouldn't even take the lie down. See, oh, Scully's going for a walk. Get you some more fucking exercise, Scully. You better stay in shape, boy. We want them lungs crisp. So when you smoking that blunt while you live tonight, we gonna hear everything you're talking about in the back. You said run. I mean walk. Oh shit. I had a good day though. Hell, they threw me off because when I got to work, once again our system was acting fucked up, so I couldn't fucking take pictures for none of the items that I was trying to post on eBay. So since I couldn't do that part of my job, that made my mornings slow because when I first report to work, I'm supposed to be posting items to eBay up until about 11 or 12 and then go on deliveries until 5. Well, let's see, 8:30 to 12, I didn't have shit to do. Then mysteriously at 12, I had a lot to do. They're like, "Oh, we need you to load up the van, go to the recycling yard. Then before you do that, we need you to go to Lonnie's tire and get these two tires removed from these rims because these rims are technically trash and we got to throw them away when you go to the recycling center with the other tires." So, anyways, it's like 12:30. So instead of just going to the recycling center, I had to go to Lonnie's. But when I get to Lonnie's, it is packed. The whole fucking spot is packed. Lonnie's was busy this day. I was like, all right, cool. Lonnie getting it in. So I sat there and waited a good 10 minutes before I went into the office. Because you know me, I get paid by the hour, and I had to check Spider Pig off anyways. See if that video got some views. So yeah, this done messed my whole day up because normally I just get ready and I leave at fucking 12:30. But at 12, he's like, "We need you to go do a couple things before you go do deliveries." I'm like, "Hold on, you got pre-deliveries before deliveries? You guys are fucking prolific today, and it's Wednesday. Y'all know on Wednesdays I got my job trained because they know how I am. Because normally on Wednesdays I don't want nothing risking me getting back on time. Because you know, this is y'all day. This is Wednesday. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, so I let him, my boss already knows. I'm like, Wednesday, I don't like to play around. I like to leave early and get back as soon as I possibly can because at 5 o'clock, I'm trying to head home. So at 6 o'clock, when my live is supposed to start, I can respect my audience's time. Shouts out to the audience because they already know. Wednesday at 6 p.m., popcorn should be on. We don't know what the fuck he gonna talk about unless he done already got the video up with the motherfucking thumbnail on there. If he ain't got it up yet, your chat went blank. Oh, well, shit. Chats are funny. I don't like these verticals because you can't really do too much good stuff in a vertical. If you drop a link on a vertical, it's not available during the live, but for the people who replay it, they can click on it. So, FYI right there. You can still drop links on vertical chats. but you can't click on them while it's live. That's for the replay game. That's why I always tell y'all gotta be up on all the new updates. YouTube wants you so busy learning what they new update do, so you don't get left behind from it. That way you don't get left behind. That's just like